How to fix Facebook profile lock option not showing. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I'm Bimo from App Guide, and in today's guide video I will simply show you how you can fix if the Facebook profile lock option is not showing up. But before we get started with this video, if you're new to our channel, do make sure to leave a like, hit that subscribe button, and without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. Now basically what happens over here is that if I go ahead and open the Facebook app, let's say for example, and then if I tap on the three horizontal lines, and if you scroll down and select settings and privacy, and then if you had selected settings, right over here you will be able to find the option which says profile lock-in or lock profile, similar kind of options like that. But as in this case, you can see we do not have that option. And there are a bunch of videos on the internet or YouTube or other social media apps or articles telling that you have to update it to the latest version and then you'll be able to enable that option. While all of those options are actually mandatory, I can tell you why this is not working in your account. The only reason this is not showing up is because profile lock option is not available in all the regions yet. That is that if you have a Facebook account which is in some place where the profile lock option is not enabled, you will not be able to see that feature. The only solution to this is that you will not be able to find the profile lock option within your settings. The only solution to this is that you can simply create a new account. And while you're creating a new account, you want to select a region and connect to a VPN where the profile lock option is enabled. Like many people are using the India's VPN, for example, in order to actually enable and get that option. While you sign up for creating an account and select your region and so on, you can select India. And you also want to make sure you're connected to an Indian VPN using Indian numbers to sign up to Facebook account. That would basically fix your issue. And there are a bunch of other things you can do is that you simply need to wait until the feature is enabled to all countries and region, and you could simply go to your profile section and then you could go to, let's say, Help Center for example. Once you go to Help Center, you can tap on Report a Problem button which you see, and you could go ahead and tap on Continue to report a problem, and you can see it says creating a report. What you could do is you could go ahead and simply select any of the report which you have right over here, and in order to let Facebook realize that the Facebook lock option is actually missing, so you could select profile or privacy or any of these options. You could go ahead and select that and simply change the Facebook profile lock option is not showing up even though you've updated it to the latest version. Hopefully this would have fixed the issue, but the only way to get your profile lock option to work again is to sign up with a new account by connecting with a VPN. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, queries or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.